What type of weight do you put on a defense attorney's statement about the defendant's remorse?
I don't want to say zero, but I'm up there at about 1% and 2%. Most of the time, I'm paying that defense lawyer, whether they're a public defender or CJA attorney. I expect them to do that. What is much more meaningful to me, and I believe most of the other judges that I know, is if you believe that that defendant is truly remorseful and given some thought about it. And it's one of those things, it's just like if your kid throws a baseball through your window and you say, I'm sorry, that's one thing. If the kid throws a baseball through the window and is busy cleaning it up and doesn't try to blame it on Bobby next door as a contributing somebody, but I'm fixing it and I really know what I've done here and I've thought about it and I can see how it's affecting you and others. That's really meaningful. And you can usually see it. I mean, not that federal judges have some special power to tell if somebody's saying BS or not, but there's a speech that I think every public defender gives every defendant. And if you repeat that speech, that's not real meaningful. But you can tell when somebody's given some thought that, hey, I realize that I've hurt somebody else, and that somebody else may be my kid, maybe my wife, maybe somebody else. Here's how I understand that I have damaged somebody else in this process. And even if they're just selling some small quantity of drugs to feed their own habit, they've damaged other members of society and caused hurt to someone else's family. And so recognizing your actions go beyond yourself, and you saying you're sorry is a lot more meaningful than the public defender or CJA attorney saying you're sorry.